What's good, people? I'm right now in Roma Norte. It's a part of Mexico City, and I will tell you guys why this is one of the most beautiful parts of Mexico. So, Roma Norte is pretty much a little bit more upper class. But that's not bad at all, because first of all, the prices are still quite cheap. Also, you don't have the feeling that the people here are like posh or thinking they are upper class. You don't have that feeling at all. So why I would recommend this place highly and why I love it is because you have lots of green, right? You have lots of amazing parks. This is, for example, one of the parks. The name is something with Luis, I don't know it exactly. And it's really peaceful and it's really green. You have almost the feeling you are not in a big city. So something else which is really great, I mean, it's in Mexico everywhere that way, but especially here you have so many different kind of delicious foods. Literally, I'm like here now for 10 days, and I couldn't try everything, and so many nice fusion restaurants like Asian, Mexican, Indian, Mexican, tacos. I had the other day tacos with just fish. It was extremely delicious. So you will have a really great time here. What I also love about this part is there is not too much tourists going on. Like just a little bit. It's a very good balance. You have way more locals than tourists, and the most important thing is it's pretty safe here. I just got robbed like 2 or 3 times. Just kidding. No, you don't sense the energy of danger at all. Of course, when it's dark, you shouldn't go around in like sketchy streets, being lost somewhere. You don't want to do that. But other than that, it's pretty safe. Also, I found an amazing gym. The name is Sports World, and I could subscribe for just 10 days. And since 10 days, I'm almost going every day. And right next to it, there is a protein shop where they do pancakes, pizza, and milkshakes, protein shakes. So perfect environment also if you wanna work on yourself, on your body, and especially for expats or digital nomads, this is like one of the best places I've been so far. So yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys. I will go to one of my favorite places, favorite restaurants. It's a really traditional Yucatan restaurant, and it's a very cute place, amazing food. So I will take you guys with me there. So let's go. So yeah, this is basically one typical street in Roma Norte. Like I said, you have lots of green, which is beautiful, and tons of food opportunities on the left and right side. I even could see like a Japanese market, which was so amazing. I might do a video about it. It's like really focused on Japanese products, and there is the udon place and tons of Japanese traditional food. So it's really beautiful. So there is like a indie rock festival. I might have a look later. Oh, policia. There's a lot of police presence here in Mexico City. In Roma Norte, not that much, but downtown because I was living a few days in downtown. It's full of police. You see, again, some delicious stuff is happening. And what is so amazing, it's so lively, like every day. Oh, it looks like some Asian food. So here we go, El Habanerito. This is my place. I will take you guys with me. As you can see, very cute and beautiful. Hola, un persona, por favor. Gracias. So yeah, here is the La Carta or menu. And it's very sweet because it starts with the history. It's also English. Yeah, like they want to preserve the traditional Yucatecan cuisine. So yeah, there is also a story. As you know, stories work always really good for us human beings. Oh, gracias. So which is really cute here, we have tons of sauces, right, in this little cute. And I had the sopa de lima. It was extremely good, like chicken broth with some onions and everything, shredded chicken and crunchy tortilla. Really interesting experience. And then I had like the packet 4, where you have the sopa, then 2 tacos, and yeah, and more and more. So let's see what I will have. I will let you know. So yeah, here are the different sauces. And then also some kimchi type onions. And I ordered already food, and let's wait for it. So here is my food, and I can't wait to eat it. So if you visit here, have in mind to come definitely to El Habanerito. So I finished the food. I'm full, I'm very happy, and I hope you guys liked it. Here is a very beautiful tree, I have to tell you, show you guys. It's a huge one. So yeah, I wanted to also tell you guys about that the nightlife is extremely cool. Sorry, damn it. So there is tons of bars, salsa clubs, and really nice nightclubs. And I was a few days ago in a nightclub with the name Terraza Roma, and I can highly recommend. It was like a mix of reggaeton and a little bit electro music, and there were tons of locals. I think I was the only gringo, and what I like about the Mexican people are they are so interested in foreigners and in different stories. So I would connect with 3 Mexicans. They were pretty young, like in the beginning of the 20s, and then we wanted to go to sing karaoke, but unfortunately it was too late. But yeah, I'm still in contact with them. I might meet them at some point again. So yeah, really lively. You get almost everything what you need. Highly recommending, really. And if you are here, let me know. Maybe I'm still here around, and then we can meet for a taco and have a great time together. So see you guys.